So when we talk about forms of energy, there are 5 different kinds that we are speaking about today. So we go by melts. So M is for mechanical, E is for electrical, L is for light, T is for thermal, and S is for sound. So when we think of mechanical, anytime you think of mechanical, you think of moving parts. Something is moving in order for that object to work. If you think of electrical, that's easy. You have to plug it in to a battery or some sort of electrical current to get electricity or electrical energy, right? Makes sense. Okay, so light. Light is also really easy. We know that we have artificial light, like our light bulbs, and we have natural light, which is the sun, solar energy. Thermal also means heat. You're getting heat energy from something. And S is for sound. Okay, so electrical energy goes throughout a circuit. Light energy will travel in a wave. Okay, so it goes in a wave until it gets to a medium. Thermal energy means heat. Like I said, therm is the root that means heat. And then S is for sound, and sound also travels in waves. And it says light travels in waves, but really it travels in a straight line until it hits a medium. Um, or that's how we understand it. It may be waves, but they're very, very, very small, and really it looks like it's traveling in a straight line. So these are some examples. So what we want to know is, what do they use to work? What forms of energy, and what do they produce once they are working? So if we look at the laser, in order for us to turn on the little laser that would be in the corner, we have to use mechanical energy to turn on the laser. And it also has to use electricity or electrical energy to work. So the laser uses electrical and mechanical, but it produces light coming from the laser, making this beam shine off and reflect. So if I was talking about scissors, well, we know that we have to put our fingers in the scissors and we have to move them up and down. So the energy of movement will be mechanical. So scissors use mechanical energy. As they're working, they may produce some kind of sound energy, right? But the main purpose of the scissors is so we can cut things. So mechanical energy is what's being used. So my fancy little lamp here, I use electrical energy. I have to plug it in to it can get the power. And then I have to use mechanical energy to turn on the little switch that we can't see. That's what it uses. But it produces light energy. And if you've ever gone up to a lamp, that light bulb generally gets very, very hot. So then it also produces thermal energy. So my lamp produces light and thermal. Let's see, one more example. We'll go with the bicycle. So the bicycle is my favorite. You have to be able to move these pedals, move those gears in order for it to move. So that would be mechanical energy, mechanical movement, remember? And as you're moving, it's going to produce some kind of sound. You will have sound either from the tires or the gears, or you huffing and puffing as you're pedaling. There's going to be some sound there. Okay, so it uses mechanical, it produces sound. So that's the gist of it. We're just looking at, what does the object use to work and what does it produce once it is working. Okay, good luck, guys.